Hello beautiful lovers. So guys, join me, let's make delicious okra soup today. So here is the pot we are using. So first of all, we have to go in with the meat we want to make use of. So we have some cow meat here. I already washed it, so I will put it inside the pot. I wash it until it turns to white. I have onions and pepper here blended together, so I will add it. So I want to cook them together. Add it inside. I also have a 2 Maggi. Make it using of 2 Maggi. Break it. Also go in with the salt you want to make use of. Here is the salt I'm using. And turn it together. So cover it and turn off the gas. Okay guys, let's add some water. Let's add some water, leave it to cook for a few minutes before adding fish. So guys, here's the water. Leave it to cook for a few minutes. Okay guys, it's time to add small red oil to our food. I know that the heat of the gas because of the smoke. So let's go in with a little oil, red oil. So I don't need too much oil for this okra. So I need just a little. This is okay. I don't like to put oil before the small. I said I should put oil. That is why I added a little. So guys, here is a fish we are making use of. So add the fish. So we are still going to remove the fish so that it will not break. This is Cubian fish. The first one I added before it was down toward the tilapia. This one is Cubian. Hide it. Okay guys, let's remove the fish. As you can see, I lower down the heat of the gas, guys. It's time to remove the fish inside before adding the okra. So that the fish not to scatter. So guys, here is the okra. So I blended it. I blend some smooth, I want some light, as you can see. Some big. After adding it, mix it together. Mix it because we are not going to cook too much. Okay guys, also go in with your crayfish. So this crayfish, I wash it and I blended it a little. I break it. Let me use water to add it. Leave it for like 1 minute to cook. Okay guys, let's check the soup. Let's check it if there is salt. If there is no salt, we add. As you can see, this soup is very thick. It's very, very thick. I don't want to cook it too much, guys. It's very fresh. Just a little. Mix it together. So you can now go in with the fish. This is the fish. Turn it. So cover it again for like 1 minute before bringing it down. So I don't want to cook it too much. Okay guys, so the soup is ready. It's much ready, as you can see. Wow, this is exactly how I want it. Guys, share this video. Share the video. Okay. Soup is ready. See you on my next video, guys.